my God, guys, it's raining. Basa lahat ng gamit. Basa lahat. Basa lahat. But anyway, that's life. It's blessing. Basa. Basa. It's ulan. Oh, basa. It's So guys, dahil maulan, ayan. Ayun, basta lahat ng gamit namin. Pupak out na sana kami, biglang umulan. Ano best? Kaya ba today? It's live. Wala tayong magagawa pag umulan. Dadating talaga ang panahon na hindi mo inaasahan. Pero minsan iisipin mo lang it's a blessing. Alam ko mahirap pero kailangan lumaban. Umulan man o umaraw, sige lang, tuloy pa rin ang negosyo. Kaya ikaw, huwag kang panghinaan ng loob. Kaya mo yan. So whatever you choose to do, happiness is the way. Thank you for watching. Bye!